What's up, everybody? I'm just doing a remake video of this 42-inch Emerson 1895 series Sears Roebuck ceiling fan. I did something different. I added the brass blade brackets, blade arms, and it looks nice. I mean, I have the original blade brackets, which are the dark brown ones, which you've seen in the other video. And I added this round globe light kit on it, which it looks nice. Very classy, in my opinion. It does have 4 stencil blades. You can kind of just barely see it because they're not. I think they're fading out. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But anyway, without further ado, actually, before I do, there's that style blender fan, where you see it from a blender fan. This those can type canopies. I really like that on this fan. Reason why I got it. So we'll go ahead and start with the light for a demo. I really like the way this looks, especially with the round globe. So I'll go ahead and turn the light off and then start it on low. Damn crows are making noises outside. So there's your low speed. And there's medium. The reason why I'm doing a remake of this video because it wasn't as bright as the last video, and I'm doing my video sideways unlike what I did the last video, but it looks much better. And it's really kicking up some breeze for medium. Maybe if you... Yep. So yeah, there's your medium speed. And this is high speed. Wobbles a little bit, but nothing for me to worry about. It's just shake. It's just a shake. But it's really pushing a lot of air. I love it. So it's, oops, sorry. Try not to make sure the blade brackets don't hit the housing, the switch housing. I hate it when it does that. So yeah, there's it with high speed. I still have the Hunter Pearlman next to it. Alright, just go ahead and turn the light off. And then power off. I do like this particular style fan, especially as Emerson. I like to find more of them. Definitely looking for a blender fan. I wouldn't mind having a 42-inch Emerson Casablanca designer series, or maybe a Emerson Casablanca Classic, which I'm looking for some. It's got a somewhat of a long spin down. Plus, it looks cool with another fan in the background. I'm not sure how long I'm going to leave the design house spinner up like that, because what I really thought about getting is a new one of them a shop light, a fluorescent light. I thought about it, but with having 3 fans, you can't really go wrong with it. Or I mean, sorry, with 3 ceiling fans in my garage, you can't go wrong with it with having all 3. But only this Emerson and the Hunter Perlman is wired up, but not the design house. Only because I don't have another backup wire kit. I think I do have it somewhere, but we'll see in the future. You can kind of see the stencil on these blades, but and there you have it. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.